Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very special plant. Now this plant was gifted to me by the Cacti Guys, who I'm a big fan of. They sell through eBay and also through Facebook. I'll put links to their eBay and also their Facebook page in the comments below. This particular plant here, as far as I'm aware, does not exist anywhere else, and I was one of the actually I think I am the first person to receive this plant, so it's not publicly available as yet, but definitely keep an eye out for it because it is rather special. Without further ado, let's wind up and have a look at this plant that was produced by the Cacti Guys and actually named by myself. So I named this plant, and let's have a look. Here she is. This is Echinocactus Grusonii monstrose, and CV is Toffee Apple. So as you can see here, it is definitely a mutant cactus with very, very strange growth. The long-term growth characteristics of this cactus are unknown, as it is a brand new mutant strain. You might have seen my previous videos have featured quite a few mutant cactus, cacti. In the last sort of few months, we've seen Mammillaria boccasana Fred, and we've also seen Echinopsis chocolate. And following on is this guy here, which is just absolutely incredible looking. I'm so thrilled to own one. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be intrigued to see how it grows. It is grafted onto Trichoceros spacianus, and I've over potted the graft so as to increase the growth rate of the rootstock, or of the stock plant. So just might just shift it around a bit, see if we can get some better light. Absolutely beautiful. If you've not seen or heard me mention the Cacti Guys in the past, they are incredibly gifted at growing beautiful plants, and you can't go very far within my collection without finding one of the plants that they've produced. And so this guy here, I think when it is actually released, is going to fetch a pretty penny. But if you wanted to be the one of the first to have this, as I've not seen it anywhere else in all my travels, in any forum or anything like that at all, then definitely keep an eye out on their Facebook and also their eBay account. They do only ship within Australia, and they do not ship to Western Australia, Northern Territory or Tasmania due to quarantine restrictions. Hopefully that will change in the future, but for now they only ship to all the other states. But here she is. Again, it's Echinocactus Grusonii monstrose CV. CV means cultivar. Toffee Apple, and it's a plant that I named. So I'm pretty thrilled and to add this to the collection. Alright everyone, well thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!